How to import Google Tasks. In this video, I'll show you how to import tasks on Google Tasks. So to get started, go ahead and open google.com into your Google Chrome browser. So in here, make sure that you're signed into your Google account. Now you'll find this app button at the top right of your screen at the left side of your profile icon. So click on that apps button, and under that you'll be able to find all of the available apps on Google. So in there, go ahead and look for calendar. So that will take you to the Google Calendar tab. And then on Google Calendar, go ahead and click on the gear icon. So Google Tasks is basically the list version of the events that you'll find on Google Calendar. So all of the events that you have on Google Calendar is available in list version on Google Tasks. So click on this gear icon at the top of your screen and then click on settings under that. Now on the settings page, go ahead and click on the import and export tab. And then under that, you'll be able to find this import section. So select a file from your computer that you want to import to your Google Calendar / Google Tasks. And then click on open and then click on this import button. So make sure to set the location where you want to add this specific events to, and then click on this import button. Now once this is imported, you will be able to find that on your calendar and your Google Tasks. And that is how you can basically import Google Tasks. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.